Hey friends, if you wish to set your default speaker, audio, sound output on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's not very difficult. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select sound. Now in the output section, I'll expand it to show you. I have two outputs. One is the headphones output and one is the speaker output. So I can set the default speaker from here directly. Okay, this is the right way to do it. Don't do it through the more complex settings that people show. This is the only setting and it is in the settings window, and this is all that is required. Okay, and then you can check further settings from here where you can change the volume for the left channel, right channel, and in general. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.